In this video, we are going to cover the sound The sound is a non-voiced consonant. This means there is no phonation when you speak it. To pronounce the sound, bring the middle and the tip of your tongue up against the top front teeth. Press it against the bottom so it's kind of flat. And then simply push air out of that small space there. Use this phrase to practice. Let's buy something healthy at the North Thrift Store on the 5th at 3. Let's buy something healthy at the North Thrift Store on the 5th at 3. Hear the sound Practice this phrase slowly with me. Let's buy something healthy at the North Thrift Store on the 5th at 3. Let's buy something healthy at the North Thrift Store on the 5th at 3. Each time you pronounce the sound th, make sure that you feel the air come over the tip of your tongue. Now that we've established the center of the phoneme target, let's talk about the secondary ring. The secondary ring of this phoneme target will sometimes sound like a t. I wouldn't recommend doing this as t is a completely different phoneme and it is a. The outer ring of mispronunciation will sometimes sound like a d instead of a th. Make sure that you aren't phonating and that you're letting the air easily escape over the tip of your tongue each time. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next.